it's your way here into my begins. If I'm held by the tattoos, I would think that it's your skin. If I move too quick, that's true, I would think it's my reflection. Dreams close, she isn't close enough. Who could tell every time we touch, every time we up? Wish you could feel me, you could part me. One day I'm ready where your heart is. Each space feels broken hearted. Cross the battlefield, way too far in. But when you see just someone new, they see us too. Ooh, I just wanna melt into you. I'm melting to you. Just wanna melt into you.
Good morning. Happy Thursday. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. Royce is home from school today. And I'm just here making my coffee. You know what I need? Something new of? I need a lot of new things in my kitchen. But for sure, I need a coffee maker. I need a new Keurig. I had two. The first one, my husband bought me. Me and my mother messed it up. I don't know why we thought we could put milk in there instead of water. Because I think we wanted to make hot chocolate. We was like, well, let's just see what happens. We should have never did that because we broke it. We broke it, and then another one somebody had gave to me. Somebody had gifted me one, and it was like one of the first Keurigs. So it worked fine, but it just take forever for the coffee to drip out of that one. And I was like, no, come on now. But the one my husband had bought me, as soon as you press the button, it goes doing whatever it's doing. Then here come the coffee. So I just need a new one. I definitely need a new one. I think this year for my 39th birthday, I'm going to create a Amazon gift list. And if any of my beautiful supporters want to buy me anything, you are more than likely welcome to do so. And it would be highly appreciated. So, yeah. When I got up this morning, I feel okay. I feel okay. Yeah, God is good. I can't complain. I could complain, but why complain? I woke up this morning to still be able to tell the story. To still be able to come on here and be myself and share my life with you. And I'm really glad. Like, I was looking through my YouTube and going through my channel and going all the way back to when I first started. And I truly wish I had been like consistent when I started. I don't know why I wasn't. I guess I was going through that phase because nobody really talks about that when you start YouTube. Going through that phase of just like how I look on the camera, how I'm coming off, how people are perceiving me, what I'm saying. Am I saying it right? Am I articulating myself? Like, you do a lot of critiquing of yourself when you start YouTube because we're just human. Like, you're just a human being, and you know, and I knew I wanted to start YouTube from when I had royalty, and I started and my views were like good and starting to get there, and I stopped because I started going through postpartum depression, which probably would have been like the best time to really create content. But if you know or have gone through postpartum depression after having a baby, then you know how extremely hard it's even to get up and pick yourself up, let alone to get dressed, bathe, take care of a baby, do all of that. And then think about it, to pick up a camera and you feel like sugar honey iced tea. No, like, you know, so that wasn't gonna, yeah. But you know, they say nothing happens before it's time. I'm making coffee. I took the thing off. This is instant coffee. And I believe this is, I think it's called Carib. Like, supposed to be like Caribbean coffee. Yeah. So, yeah. So I just was thinking about, I just been having like a lot of regrets, if that makes sense. I know they say don't regret nothing in life, but you know, you're just like, if I had did this, then this would have happened. If I hadn't made this decision, then you wouldn't be in this position. If I hadn't, but I guess you know, you can't live there in that moment, and you can't live in your regret, because if you live in it, then you'll be depressed. You'll be sad. Shoulda, coulda, woulda, but you didn't. So when I do have those moments, I try to let them pass and say, God, you know, your will be done for my life. And I take full accountability of anything that I ever indulged in, that I ever did or didn't do. Because life is about choices. You make the choice. You cannot blame nobody for anything but yourself. It was your choice. So, but, yeah. See the smoke? Y'all, I hear they're up. Oh, Lord. I need a Keurig. Like, I love coffee. Good morning. The first headache is up.
What the first headache? You tell everybody this, man.
Where's the second one? She's soon forward. Look. It's thing 1 and thing 2. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. I hear her. And can y'all let me know? There is a coffee that I do want to try. I forgot the name of it. But if y'all know of any like healthy coffees, as far as like, you know, dieting. I'm not on a diet, but if I could drink a healthier form of coffee, I would want to. I don't know any but the one that I forgot the name of. Greg, what's the name of that coffee?
Blue Mountain.
No.
You can't get me now.
The coffee that we was going to order on Amazon. If you're like, you're on a better eating journey,
Yeah.
that's the coffee you would choose. I forgot the name of it. You forgot, right? I forgot the name of it, y'all. So, but, you know, I don't mind making coffee the way I make it, but the Keurig that I had, that my husband bought me, oh gosh, me and my mother, I don't know why we had to be scientists. Rise? Something, I think it, okay, the coffee, I think it's called Rise. Like RYZE. If you know anything about it, leave it in my comment section, or if you know of another coffee. I have not tried it, so I cannot give you an opinion and say that that is the best coffee because I haven't tried it yet. But you know the spokesperson over here for everything.
No, I mean like.
But you still don't know that. That's not the only healthy coffee.
Guys, I'm mushroom. I treat mushroom.
It doesn't matter. You haven't tried it. You don't know how it's gonna align with your body, so you can't say that it's the best. You say something is the. You cannot say it's the most healthiest.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Don't never listen to somebody tell you something that they haven't done yet, because that's foolery.
Yes, it is.
So I haven't tried it yet. I do want to try it. Royalty. I'm leaving my baby. Greg, move.
You're gonna leave her. She said she's not coming.
Okay, what's on the agenda for today is to go to the Bronx and get fish. I wish I could, like, you know, you have somebody who do your grocery shopping for you. I mean, well, you can. You just got to pay for it. There are people who do it. Oh! Miss Royalty. Royalty. Really?
Daddy was getting me to wake up, and then when I tried to climb up here, he pulled me down.
So you climbed back out?
He said what?
We gotta go.
I don't want school.
We're not going to school.
It's a half a day. I'm tired.
You. Why is he calling me? Huh? Oh. Royalty. It's school. You going to school? No. That baby.
I'm not going to school.
No.
Yeah.
And school is over in 1 hour.
Yay!
Come on, let's go. We have to go buy some stuff.
I don't want to. We are going to the Bronx. Yay.
Why? What do you want?
Jamaican food.
Greg, you hear that baby? What you want?
Jamaican food.
That girl said, "Are we going to the Bronx?" Yes, I want Jamaican food. Royalty, you love your belly? Do you love your belly? You wrote on your hand. Come on, you gotta get up, Royalty.
No.
So how you gonna go get it? I already pulled out your clothes. Where are they?
Daddy took them.
Oh. Get up, missus.
He said those are his clothes.
Come on, you gotta get up. You gotta brush your teeth. No. Same way you got up is the same way you come down. Ooh, excuse me. All right, y'all. Let me get myself together so we can head out to the BX. The BX. We haven't gone in a while. We have not gone in a while. Ooh, y'all. I have really lost some weight. Like, y'all can see, like, I got this little poop out right here, but I have really I feel good. I feel good. Time to go back to juicing. All right, let's go. We're in the Bronx. With the royalty. Oh boy. I'm cold. On White Plains Road. Huh?
The airplanes is empty.
Yep. What's this? Oh, laundromat. We got the sauce. 20-piece wings, $20. Tuesdays and Thursdays. One thing about the Bronx, you're gonna find somewhere to eat. You're gonna find some good food. What is this? Another hair salon?
Bruh, there's so much hair salon.
So where he don't where he why he don't know where to go? All up and down White Plains Road. If you want to do your nails, you can do your nails. Want to get your hair done, get your hair done. Want to get food, get food.
That's not how you record. That's not.
Yes,
how
it is. That's the YouTube format. Thank you.
I record up this way.
I know, it's okay.
I record how I want to record.
We're back home. We got our fish and stuff, and we got some. I got barbecue chicken with, is that cabbage? Mm-hmm. Cabbage and sweet plantain, rice and peas. Royce just got rice and peas and barbecue chicken. And the husband got oh, fried chicken, cabbage, rice, and peas. So, yeah, if you know, you know. So, I mean, I haven't had their food in a long time, but it's good. Because we always get it from there. That's just the chicken. That's good?
Yeah, it's big. Mukbang. You okay?
I got the hiccups. Oh my god. Oh.
Drink something. Drink something.
Alright, y'all. I'm gonna eat my food. Oh, I didn't even show you. Oh, I did show y'all, but.
Don't drop it. Don't drop it.
I'm gonna demolish this.
Why you want tax? Me Rolex on the cheap price contact. Me white like sand, crypto buy millions, billions.
Boss for every boss, done for every done. Ever militant, so it and so it and. Humble like Colin, tell them no confusion. Boss for every boss.
Darky, darky, no, cause of darkness. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no. Darkness forever, man. Darky, darky, no. Darky, darky, no.
Straight jeans and me be a ganja. We a real bad man, that's why she love we. She no want the money, she just want we no need reason for fuck.
This is hours later. So that is it. I took out all the fish. I bagged it. The meat, I bagged it. Let me show you. I have a few more things I have to order. It's all the fish, some stuff under there, some shrimp, some crabs. But yeah, I bagged all the fish. I really want to get a deep freezer, y'all. it's necessary. It just would hold so much more. It would hold so much more. Oh, I know I hate this lighting from my kitchen. Oh, but today it was very, very nasty outside. And I'm just tired of walking on my tiptoes because I don't want to step in doodle. I did go live a little bit on YouTube. And yeah. So tomorrow's Friday. The weather's supposed to be really nice this weekend. So I'm definitely, on Saturday, my goal is to go to Walmart because I want to pick my son up a few things and I want to pick Royalty up a few things. You know, start getting some dresses, some sandals, stuff like that. Simple stuff. And yeah. So I will see you guys in the next vlog. We're sitting here. What y'all hear in the background is me watching YouTube. I'm actually watching this couple that is RV living. Y'all know I'm so like intrigued by RV living, and so they're just in nature and they're taking a walk. So yeah. So they're just going for a walk. They're actually at a RV. They parked up in an RV resort. So they're just walking through, and I just love nature. Anywho, I will see y'all in the next vlog. I love y'all. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below. Let me know what kind of videos you want to see. Let me know some content you want me to create. Like, I do interact in the comments. So you have to comment so I can respond. But I love y'all. Make sure you share the video. Make sure you are subscribed. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so when I post, you're able to see what I got going on. All right, I love y'all. Night, night.